This is the product that we use on the roof. It's a Corey's Moss B Ware. Kills moss, safe for roofs and walkways. 3-pound container, covers up to 3,000 square feet. And this house here is 1,650 square feet and a 2-car garage. So this does a nice job. I do it twice a year up there to control the moss, and it seems to work real well. So we're pleased with the Corey's Moss B Ware. The blower we use to clean the roof is a Stihl BG86. It's the most powerful handheld blower that Stihl makes. So works real well up there. Lightweight, pretty fuel efficient, does a good job. Even gets the gutters. So that's what we use. You got a really neat son. He shows up and takes care of your roof on Father's Day. Okay, time for the treatment. Yeah, it's pretty clean up there. If you look on the peaks, you can still see a little bit of the Moss B Ware up there. But twice a year, clean the gutters, and she's holding up good. This roof is 20 years old right now. So take good care of it, and it'll take good care of you. Thanks for joining us outside Rusted Junk Garage. Little roof cleaning with my son.